Apple cider vinegar seems to be all the buzz these days. The problem is, most people use it the wrong way. And in this lesson, I'm gonna share with you the best time to have apple cider vinegar to repair your metabolism and burn fat, to balance your hormones, and to feel really great. There's a ton of research showing apple cider vinegar boosts your metabolism, suppresses your appetite, and reduces fat storage. The three main benefits come from, number one, the acetic acid found in apple cider vinegar. Acetic acid has been shown to ramp up your metabolism and to curb your cravings by about 600 calories per day and also inhibit fat storage. This helps people lose weight, especially if they've hit a weight loss stall. Apple cider vinegar also aids in digestion. Just about all of us are nutrient deficient to some degree, and most suffer from something called leaky gut. Because apple cider vinegar is so acidic, it actually restores the acidity in your digestive tract. That's very important for breaking down fats and proteins and even carbohydrates. Another benefit of apple cider vinegar is blood sugar stabilization. It's very important to prevent a high blood sugar spike from eating foods, and apple cider vinegar helps that. This is called postprandial glucose. So that's very important whether you're pre-diabetic, diabetic, or somebody just watching this who wants to lose weight and not store a bunch of fat from the meal you ate. Apple cider vinegar will help you do that. Now, as it pertains to fat loss, here's what the studies show on apple cider vinegar. As we mentioned, it helps with postprandial glucose, but it also helps with fasting glucose, and it doesn't break your fast. It also helps to increase your metabolism, so if you want, you could eat more and still burn fat. Helps with improved muscle performance, very important to build muscle for longevity and fat loss. Regulates your appetite, so you feel like you're in control and not your pantry. Decreased insulin, the fat storage hormone, and preventing fat storage in general, and I think we all want that. So here are the three best times to have your apple cider vinegar. Number one, 15 to 20 minutes before your next meal. When you do this, it'll mitigate that postprandial glucose spike, the sugar response from that meal. The acetic acid that we referenced helps with this process, but also helps you digest that meal better too, so you don't have gas and bloating and acid reflux. There was a study that showed apple cider vinegar improved insulin sensitivity after a high carb meal, up to 34%. Pretty cool, and I'll reference that study down below. The second best time to take apple cider vinegar is right after your meal. This could do wonders if you experience bloating and acid reflux, and most importantly, it helps with that postprandial glucose. And you'll get even bonus points as it pertains to fat loss if you add a 15 to 20 minute walk as well after that meal. And the third best time to have it is first thing in the morning. Again, doesn't break your fast, so you don't have to worry about that if you practice intermittent fasting. What it will do is actually help you continue that fast because it reduces cravings by suppressing your appetite and actually helps with an energy boost as well. The next question is, which form of apple cider vinegar? There's different products and supplements out there. Let's discuss the pros and cons with the ones out there. We have apple cider vinegar gummies that are very popular. But sorry to give you the bad news, a lot of these apple cider vinegar gummies have sugar. They don't even contain enough apple cider vinegar to get the benefits we're speaking about here, and they're full of preservatives. So in general, I would avoid the gummies. Then we have apple cider vinegar in the liquid form. For example, Bragg's is a popular brand, and there are benefits to this. However, if you drink it straight up without diluting it, it could burn your throat and also cause harm to your esophagus. So if you're gonna do the liquid, you wanna make sure you dilute it with water and you drink it through a straw, because it actually could corrode your teeth as well if you're not drinking through a straw. Then we have apple cider vinegar capsules, and there's a lot of junk out there that again don't contain enough apple cider vinegar to get you the biggest bang for your buck, and they're loaded with other preservatives. Now, I personally use the apple cider vinegar complex from Paleo Valley. Not only does it contain a good amount of organic apple cider vinegar, it has a synergistic blend from whole food source turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon. This synergistic blend actually gets you even faster results. Simply take 2 to 3 capsules each time. Again, that will be 15 to 20 minutes before a meal, after the meal, first thing in the morning, and you'll get the desired effect. If you go to the link down below and use the coupon code 𝙎𝙬𝐾EMP, you could get Paleo Valley's apple cider vinegar complex at a nice discount. We'll drop that in the notes for you. If you found this video to be beneficial, check out this recent video I just launched on the insane benefits of quitting sugar for 14 days. The average person is consuming over 300 grams of carbs per day. That is a lot of sugar, and they're eating it throughout the entire day. That will constantly raise insulin. The third insane benefit, better skin complexion and anti-aging benefits.